Bathing a cat that screams at water can feel impossible, but it doesn't have to be chaotic or dangerous. With the right approach, you can get your cat clean while keeping stress to a minimum. Before giving your cat a bath, it's important to trim their claws. Cats often become scared or overstimulated around water, and sharp nails can easily cause scratches. Trimming their nails ahead of time helps reduce the risk of injury for both you and your cat. Afterward, reward your cat with treats to help them feel calm and create a more positive experience. Before bathing your cat, help them burn off extra energy so they are calmer and easier to handle. Play with your cat for a while using their favorite toys until they seem relaxed or tired. A tired cat is less likely to bite, scratch or try to escape during a bath. Before bringing your cat into the bathroom, set up the tub so everything is ready. Fill the tub or sink with just a few inches of warm water, never hot, and make sure the water level is low enough that your cat can stand comfortably. Turning off running water before placing your cat in the tub can also help reduce stress, since loud sounds may frighten them. When placing your cat in the tub, speak in a calm, quiet voice to help keep them relaxed. Gently hold them so they don't try to escape. Once your cat is in the tub, gently wet their body starting at the neck and moving toward the tail. Pour a small amount of warm water over them and slowly massage cat-safe shampoo into their coat, following the direction of their fur. Cat shampoo is specially made to clean your cat's coat without irritating their sensitive skin. A good cat shampoo is gentle, safe if licked during grooming, and designed to remove dirt, grease or pests while keeping the coat soft and healthy. After shampooing your cat, it's important to rinse all the soap out completely. Use the water in the tub to rinse first, then drain the tub and rinse your cat 2 more times with fresh warm water until there are no bubbles or soap left in their fur. After rinsing, gently blot your cat's fur with a soft, fluffy towel to remove as much water as possible. Press and massage the towel into their coat, then wrap your cat and rub gently. If your cat tolerates it, you can also use a hair dryer on a low, cool setting from a distance. Never use hot air. After your cat is mostly dry, brushing their fur helps remove loose hairs, prevent tangles, and keep their coat smooth. Start gently, following the direction of their fur, and be patient around sensitive areas like the belly and legs. With patience and gentle care, each bath will become easier, helping your cat stay clean and healthy without unnecessary stress for either of you.